Shaska 60, moving along. Now, like I said last time, there is a conditional form of the copula, and that is what you would use with da, and it's also just used by itself. You've probably learned ba walyam, I would like. Would is the conditional, so it's ba. It's the same form as the copula's past tense forms, which you just have to know from context. So the ba is the present, the straightforward one, positive form. Near is the negative form. The question form is and then the relative indirect speech form is just gur, because and gur always go together. And near and nar always go together, so the negative relative form is nar. And then you can use it in different kinds of sentences with other words. They give you a lot of varieties on that. Before a vowel or an FH, which is a silent, so it's kind of like a vowel, the A in ba drops out, so you put a B apostrophe. And if it's near or you put a BH ending on nirv and erv, gurv for the and narv for the indirect speech form or the relative form there. The real relative form is abar, kyaka or kyaka abarlat. Which of them would you prefer? So that is kind of just the reversing the ba. So it's practice on these, of course, as always. There's one little other subtle thing, just for clarity, I think. Ba does not drop out the A before the pronouns a, e, and id. Ba'a'e, or ba'a'id, or ba'a'i, sha'e, and so forth, is where that comes from. So practice these. The forms, again, just have to be used, and this is now creeping up on the real final lessons of the book. So you're doing really, really good if you've gotten this far. Just keep practicing, listen to the recordings, find context for things so you can hear them being used, and use them yourself. Speak, write, listen, everything you can do.